You are watching Travel World Online.
Partnerships are the backbone of tourism. No single sector can thrive in isolation. At the 40th IATO Annual Convention, this philosophy came alive in a power-packed business session titled The Power of Partnerships. Airlines, hoteliers, tour operators and guides. The session was steered by none other than Homa Mistry, CEO of Trailblazers, a moderator celebrated for his high-octane style, blending music, humor, and profound insights.
Operators do not own anything, neither the airline nor the hotel, freelance guides nor the car. But what we do, or what we manage to do, is we manage to create a lovely itinerary and execute it to the T. How do we do that? It's only and only possible because of this link and because of this partnership that you're seeing. Otherwise, it is not possible. So partnership is key to the work that we do. Having said that, what is written over here, we've covered airlines, hotels, tour operators, transporters, guides. One major link which is missed out is the ground operating operators. There are many in different states who are ground operators and they mirror us. They'll become TBI for us. So they play a very important and key role, and that's the whole chain. Having said that, if we continue talking about this subject, we won't have so much fun. So what I need to do is, कल रात को मैंने हर slide के बाद थोड़ा सा गाना डाल दिया. वो गाना मेरे लिए नहीं है. It has a lot of relevance for what is written, but जब वो गाना बजे, तब आप लोग उसको मन ही मन में गुनगुनाना, तो then we are on sync with each other. So let's see वो होता है. बहुत जल्दी बंद हो गया. Friends, our main slide is on trust. I just said that you don't own anything, but inbound tourism works on trust, and trust is the ultimate thing. You know, you build it drop by drop, but when it goes, it goes. So I trust the hotelier to look after my clients and provide them what has been promised. I trust the airline to take them from point to point, in a very safe manner. I trust my driver to look after my clients and give them safety. And I trust my guide to handle the entire itinerary and not make deviations. All that is only possible because I have trust. Now, if in this link, if one trust also does not work by anybody, the entire itinerary goes for a 6. So this chain of partnership, or I must say chain of reputable partners, is the only way to run our business. So I would like to begin by asking Mr. Subhash Goyal with 50 years of experience, what do you feel what I'm saying is correct, and how important is trust, and over the years how have you built partnership on trust? And for this point, obviously, I want everybody to respond.
Thank you. There's a saying, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride them. We wish that we trust each other. We wish we work together. And today, if India is the fastest growing economy in the world, it is only because of public-private partnership. You see, all the roads, when we are building 13 kilometers of road every, day, it's only because government alone is not doing it. There is a collaborative effort. We cannot do anything unless and until we cooperate, we trust each other. Particularly because we are a service industry and experience is the most important thing. Now, to have an experience, we can build an itinerary, fine, but if a tourist comes and he doesn't enjoy the stay, it doesn't work. So first thing is, we need to have collaboration with the airlines because they are the gatekeepers. They are the ones who bring the people to India. And then we need the transporters because they have to transport them from the airport to the hotel. Then we need the hoteliers because they have to also give a wonderful experience. And last but most important is the tourist guide. because he's the real ambassador of, for India, because the tourist is spending most of the time with a tourist guide. What story he gives, how good he is, how he keeps the tourist entertained, will depend whether the tourist is going to come back or he is never going to come back. So it is a complete effort. And the reason why India as an industry, as rightly mentioned in the previous session, after COVID, we did not accept the challenge, is because we were all looking at the government. We are not working together. If I mentioned this in the previous session also, if all the airlines like Indigo, Air India, Tata's, Oberoi, if all the hoteliers get together and all the tour operators, the travel agents, the adventure tour operators, the MICE operators, we all put in our act together, then there is no power on planet Earth which can make India, we are on the below 30th position, economy is on the 4th position. Why can't tourism also be on the 4th position?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the lovely
Open the
comments.
sky. We need to allow airlines to come in. We need to work together as a team. United, we can stand. Divided, we remain. Unfortunately, we are divided right now.
Never mind. But let the others also say a few things on trust. And then we go on to the next. Please.
So trust, right? All of us live in this world where we use the word trust very loosely, right? I know you, I respect you. We meet on Holi, Diwali, and we say we trust each other. But in the corporate world, right, trust comes from very different angles. Comes from competence, comes from reliability. Trust comes from integrity. When you know your partner is reliable, competent, he has the integrity, that's how you build trust. That's how you build brands. Another thing that we as partners can do to build trust is bring in long-term growth plans together, right? When all these things fall into place, we develop trust. And somewhere I feel, sir, that, well, it might be unsaid to a certain extent, but all of us large brands, we keep our promises. And that's what I have to offer.
Thank you.
See, for hoteliers, without this will not exist because all your businesses are scalable, right? If demand increases, can you hear us? Okay, I can't increase my capacity, there is more demand, right? You can add flights, you can add transport. So we build brands, we survive on trust. We don't have a choice. I don't have a choice, right? Among all of you, you can still manage somehow, but as a hoteliers, we'll be out of business overnight.
Babiji, please.
TRUST. Yes? TRUST. Atithi Devo Bhava. This word was basically started because the Honorable Ministry of Tourism and the tour operators had that trust of Atithi Devo Bhava in the transporters, who are the first people to engage with the client who's coming from overseas. We are the first people, our drivers are the ambassadors of this country, who are the first ones to receive the client, and then that is the first impression which lasts in the end. Goyal Sahib rightly said that guides are the one who spend maximum time. But along with that, the same amount of time a tourist spends in a car or a coach with the driver. One mistake from the chauffeur, one wrong turn from the chauffeur, one wrong language from the chauffeur, one misbehavior from the chauffeur, one bad foul smell from the body of the chauffeur, one uncleaned uniform from the chauffeur, cleans it as totally whatever the best tour operator or airlines or anybody else does. We have to be on the top priority list to keep ourselves on, not on the standardize mode, but on an attention mode, that we are the ones who have to lead this way to gain trust.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And may I request?
Thank you, sir. I am delighted to share my insights and feedbacks on the topic. Let's break down how airline, hoteliers, guides, and how can we promote tourism collectively. Actually, tourism is not one particular thing. It is just like this small bouquet where we have different flowers. And with different segments of this industry, if we don't have better understanding, combination, cooperation, and better partnership, I think tourism can't work perfectly. To run it perfectly for better results and to make India again on the top of world tourism industry, our collective effort can lead to a great success. And it is must. We guides, we don't say that we spend more time with the tourist. It is fact. Driver and guides both spend most of the time with the tourist. But with that, for the quality and services of tour operator, hoteliers, and airlines also, we are equally responsible.
Thank you.
Because if there is any minus point in any particular service, we maintain it. And we convince his or her that yes, we will manage it. It is very important.
Got it, sir. Thank you very much. So this gives you an idea that this is a basic thing. और tour operators की तरफ से कहना है, गाने नहीं आ रहे, मैं क्या करूं? कुछ हो रहा है, वहाँ से नहीं आ रहे हैं. But हम आगे चलते हैं. What I have done is, because we have different presidents of different associations, and it is the first time that an opportunity has been given to transporters and guides to come here and express, it is very important that I give them time. And therefore, in the case of transporters, may I request Bobby ji, that drivers play a very important role. आज सवेरे जब मैंने अपना खिड़की का पर्दा खोला, so there were 35 white cars one could see in a line outside. Most of them का दरवाजा early morning 6 बजे खुला हुआ था, which means that the driver last night slept in those cars. और सवेरे वो लोग एक घंटे के लिए वो साफ कर रहे थे, and by 9 o'clock I could see from top that they were all ready. So it is a tough job, and after he does that tough job, we expect him to give the same service to the people who have stayed in a suite and go down. So I would like to know from Bobby, what is बहुत चलता volume. All yours. So what is a day in the life of a driver and the important role that it plays? All yours.
Can you stand?
Yes.
It says एक मोड़ आया, and then you stopped it. वही जो मोड़ आया था, there the Honorable Tourism Ministry trusted us. About 2 years back, we as ITA, we were directed by the Ministry of Tourism that we need to visit different regions of the country to train drivers and to make more members as part of ITA, and to tell them the benefit of being recognized as Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. So that was the initial trust which we got. Now, what we started doing is, about 2 months back we did the first regional meet in Agra, very successful. The second one we did was in Mumbai, again very successful, about 40 members we made, and we did a driver's training session. The third one happened yesterday in Udaipur. My other ITA team was in Udaipur yesterday. The fourth one, the Honorable CM of J&K is confirmed for 12th of September in Srinagar. Next is probably in Jaipur. Then we have one in Bangalore. We have one placed for Amritsar or Ludhiana sometime later. We are planning.
Right.
Now, what your thing and what my professional thing is, what do we do to train the drivers? What you observed in the morning, this is what exactly what we tell all the drivers of my personal company and my fellow association transporters drivers and the regional meets. It is very important for the driver to be tireless. What we tell them that the moment you get 30 seconds or 45 seconds at the red light, on sitting the driver's seat, start twisting your feet left and right and right and left so that that little bit of yoga on your feet will give you relief. You need not to sleep in the cars. Omaji, the most important factor is the body foul smell. And the drivers, the honorable drivers are the such के वो बेचारे भी क्या करें, बरसात हो रही है तो गाड़ी में बैठना पड़ता है, गर्मी हो रही है तब गाड़ी में बैठना पड़ता है, एसी ऑन करके, मालक का डीजल रख रहा है कोई बात नहीं, सर्दी हो रही है तो तब गाड़ी में बैठना पड़ता है. But we have upgraded this word driver to be calling them as chauffeur. This chauffeur word has paid a lot of dignity to them. They have started feeling a pride in themselves that they are being called a chauffeur. Along with this training program, we are telling the drivers कि भाई हमारी गाड़ी is unlimited comprehensively insured. Any incident happens, our गाड़ी is safe, we are safe. You will also be compensated. But any untoward incident happens, your family and you will be under loss if you get damage to yourself. That makes a difference to them. They understand the point. And you would have seen in last about a decade plus, I would say, the tourist trade drivers have totally changed. Not because that they're getting tips or commission. From last 5 years, there is majorly corporates and other things happening. There will be a problem when the drivers are not paid. There will be a problem when the drivers are not taken care by the respected owners or respected hoteliers or respected tour operators and our respected guides. The drivers, the chauffeurs, they need little bit of respect. Sir, हम अपने आप को, I'm sorry to be saying, but yes, we are those puppies who need pat on our backs. It is a true fact. The driver needs little bit of support when he enters the hotel. At least the hotel can give them a dormitory stay, a clean toilet and bathroom. My humble request to the hoteliers here that this is very important. At least the guides can have a joining hand with them. Because if the driver has a little different angle with the guide, again there will be a problem, right sir? The guides have to have a very positive approach. I'm not talking about dukandari or commission or anything else. The simple way is that they need a pat on their back. We only want respect. We only want a coordination between all three of us. As I said, the first
Come to that part also. But thank you very much, and I hope you were able to make the point to everybody. So going forward, my next, I would request our president of the Guide Association, he is here. And I thought it is very important that I list down what does a guide do. अब हम लोग बस बहुत loosely बोलते हैं tourist guide, but actually the work that a guide does is phenomenal. And when it comes to India, I don't know if you are aware or not, at least in our licensed guides, we have 100 people with doctorates, including some actual doctors in Jaipur who also do guiding for Germans. So it is a very passionate thing. In India, very, very fortunate, there are very, very, very learned people. My friend on the stage is holding at least 3 degrees and for years has been doing guiding. So guiding is a very, very technical job. I've tried to list out because they have to be positive all the time. They have to make whatever change comes to them. They have to give the right vibrations. They have to follow the itinerary. If somebody falls, they should know what to do first aid. Every possible thing, वो रीढ़ की हड्डी है, means he is the one who runs it. And maybe in our journey, because we are putting people in our topmost hotels with Mercedes, but we also need to see what is the quality and how can we increase the quality. I am sure he will talk about it. But before I give it to him, बहुत loosely हम guide कहते हैं, but what is that guide is very important to know. GUIDE. G is that he gives genuine information. U is he understands. I is he interprets what has to be said in the right way. D is he is giving direction all the time. यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, वहाँ मत जाना, ये मत करना, complete direction. And last E is called efficiency of making sure that the guide, everybody goes back happy. So guide has a deep meaning, and may I request you to take the platform and whatever you feel that you should tell all inbound tour operators, take this opportunity and give us a rundown what is happening and what should be done in the future.
Thank you, sir. Actually, tourist guide, not in our guideline also it is said that he is cultural ambassador of country. And no doubt we try to play that role. And I proudly says I am the part of that bunch which is highly qualified. They have minimum graduation is minimum qualification is graduate, and 90% they have additional degrees, masters, doctors. Almost we have more than 700 advocates in our bunch. So IITs it is highly qualified bunch of tourist guides, but we have state level guides and local level guides. We guides are trained and licensed by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and we are trained and licensed through a proper channel. But now it is the time, and it is needed that we should protect our standard, and we should keep it continue, because this standard we follow today, I think in last 2-3 years, an online training process introduced by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. It is a subject of great concern. How can we can keep our quality continue, and how can we update these kind of newcomers? So we should talk, and I would like to request IATO, please join the hand with us, and jointly we will request to Minister of Tourism to keep our standard continue as it is. It is very, very important, because a qualified guide, a trained guide, he can give the best experiences, and he can give a great satisfaction to a guest, because it is his duty to make tour successful. So this is my submission. Second thing, we should make, in Hindi we have Deshatan, Tirthatan and Paryatan. These are 3 different things. We work only for Paryatan. Tirthatan, like all the pilgrimages visited. Like yesterday, we were listening from our Honorable Minister of Tourism, Government of India, that our domestic tourism is I think it is on boost, and everywhere this domestic tourism, it is pushed back our inbound tourism, and we people work for inbound tourism mainly. So our duty is to protect and promote inbound tourism, because that inbound tourism brings more foreign exchange to this country. And that will, because one foreign tourist, when come to India, give more than 40 jobs. More than 40 jobs to different people. So that is more important. We should make difference between Tirthatan, Paryatan and Deshatan.
Thank you, sir.
It is very important.
Thank you for telling us what basically is going to happen. जैसा बीज बोओगे वैसा ही पाओगे. So earlier there were exams and doctorates and very learned people came into the trade. Today, in order to have more, we made it online. Unfortunately, any system or any policy requires it to be changed from time to time, but I don't think there are many who are coming forward to change. What is happening is when you go online, somebody else can also give that exam for you, and that is how they are passing. And the people who are passing just now are not of the same caliber. So if we do not address this just now, later on we will have huge quality issues. I would request IITO to take it on. IITO, it is a good system to have online. It's very good, but there are certain loopholes in that which need to be corrected. Otherwise, we will have to suffer in the future. So thank you very much, sir. Going forward, our topic is partnership. दोस्तों ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. चूज योर पार्टनर वाइजली. मामा श्री ने दुर्योधन को चुना और महाभारत तक पहुंच गए. उसी दौरान अर्जुन ने भगवान श्री कृष्ण का साथ किया और वो युद्ध जीत गए. What I am trying to say is, whether your company is going to make profits or your company is going to make losses will depend on the partners that you have. Not one partner, but the entire partnership chain. Whether your company is going to last for a number of years or close down very soon will depend on your partners. अब सबकी शक्ल से ज़्यादा लग रहा है ये स्लाइड नहीं पसंद आई, तो मैं आपकी टाइप की स्लाइड दिखा के सेम चीज़ समझाऊंगा. अब कुछ समझ में आया? अब अगर समझ में आया तो लेट मी गिव यू एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस. You know, it's a very serious subject. I'll start from here. ITC started something called Welcome Heritage, and they nurtured heritage properties to become hoteliers. Umaid Bhavan Palace they had for many years. आज booking ताज को जाती है. Partnership. Indigo working extremely closely hand in hand with Turkish Airlines. Few days ago, due to some geopolitical situation, that partnership is not there any longer. It continues, but what it used to be. It's you know, some things can happen in partnership which are beyond your control. They can happen. Mr. Subhash Goyal, I still remember I had just come into the trade. Virgin Atlantic, उसके MD को लाल एम्बेसडर कार I saw for the first time. उसको हाथी पे बिठा के ढोल बजा के within a short period Virgin was launched in India. Later they went to Interglobe. आगे बॉबी बक्सी 20 साल से सिर्फ कॉक्स एंड किंग्स, religiously working with them. Something happened to Cox and Kings, that partnership is not lasting. कौन है? गाइड साहब, कल को कोई बिजनेस किसी एजेंसी से शिफ्ट हो जाता है, वो मैनेजर को ये गाइड नहीं पसंद आता है, पार्टनरशिप कट जाती है. What I am trying to say is, every partnership needs to be nurtured. Sometimes you lose it because of things beyond your control. 90% of the time you lose it because you were not vigilant and you were, taking it complacently. So on partnership, may I request you to say something on choose your partner wisely.
See, unfortunately, these are commercial relations, right? So there is no love. So all of us need to understand, because we all are accountable, right? So, and that's what a good point you made, that we need to understand each other's problem. But our business is perishable. So I have to sell lunch, I have to sell lunch today, right? See, partnership flourishes when we understand each other's problem. We haven't expanded season except November to February. And there are much hotter places than India all over the world, but they have tourism which is flourishing 12 months, right? But you expect hoteliers to do everything between those 3 months, where weddings are paying 1.5 crore rupees to hotel for a night. It will be unreasonable to expect to accommodate someone who's paying $70, because it's a perishable business, right? And every hotel owner, now most of the hotel companies are public listed in India. We were the last one, but even look at the asset owners like Chalet, Shami, now Lemon Tree. We had couple of wise people in the boardroom. Now here, I don't know how many wise people asking us questions every day, right? So that point must be understood, because I think we mix trust and money together, and in every negotiation, discussion, this comes up. Internally, externally also, right? And that's how we're able to flourish, when we understand, right? Otherwise, like you said, there are external things, This is also one of the issue. We don't want to lose any part. It's very hard, but what to do when you have to make a choice? It's like in hospital, if you're a CEO and you have 2 patients, you have one bed available. Whom are you going to give?
So it's very nice to be very candid. You know, the good thing about RF is he doesn't mix words and he's telling us where we stand. And we need to smell the coffee and act accordingly, because that's the new change which is happening. Having said that, there's one request which has come in, which I'll put in front of you, and we have guides with us. For many years, every time there was 15 paying packs, we did get 1 room free for the guide. Recently, we are seeing there are changes happening. All over the world, they are getting it. So I would request, if you make it into 15 rooms, it's 30 packs. And many times we are having issues. So if you could relook at it, and others also in the hall can relook at it, because a huge issue has come for the guide, especially for language speaking guides, because the clients cannot do anything without the Japanese or the Spanish. So if we can continue having 15 paying queue per 1 free, it will be very nice.
So actually, we deliberated this. Why not create few rooms? He spoke about driver, right? At least resorts have sorted that problem. They have very good facilities for the driver. These are air conditioned with TV, common area, very dignified. Right? That's what he is saying, the dignity. And without driver and pilot, we are done, right? So it's very important to look after them. But for guide, I think it's worth considering. It's a very valid point. If you can create something there or something separate, if depending on the space. But I don't think as a hotel industry we have a unified policy for this complimentary room. I don't think so.
It has been for a very long time now, changing because of commercial.
But okay, let me talk to my counterparts and see what we can do.
That's very good. Well, sir, choose your partner wisely. कभी कभी तो आपकी airline. I said about Virgin, but Sri Lankan तो मैं पैदा हुआ तब से. तो how do you maintain that relationship? आपके पास ही है. So how do you do that?
You see, relationship is always give and take. But never keep all your eggs in one basket. When we had Virgin, we had about 5 airlines. Today we have 13 airlines. We have 8 cruise companies. So it's not a question of one partner with another partner. Right now the subject is teamwork. Right? How do we all work as one team? And for that, you're making a lot of profit, Taj is making a lot of profit, so are the transporters. But is India making a profit? That is the challenge. For India to make a profit, it is very important that we all work as one team. If we see an orchestra, we have to all work in the same frequency.
Right.
अगर एक ड्रमर अलग हो गया, ट्रम्पेट अलग हो गया, तो सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. Right now this is happening. The hoteliers are only, I'm not talking about Taj, but I'm talking about most of the hoteliers.
Yeah, ETC.
They're online. No, not, I have examples of Taj also, but I don't want to say it publicly. You see, I'm telling you about our company. We had a big group of NRIs. They said, no, you have 30 days cancellation policy. And when they went online, they had 48 hours cancellation policy.
That's right.
And then they went directly to the hotel and we lost the business. We did tell the respective hotels that this is our business and we should be protected, but it did not happen. Secondly, airlines. Many of the airlines, online, their rates are less. If they give it to an ITA agent or the travel agents, the rates are more. Secondly, I think transporters and guides are very transparent. But we travel agents and tour operators, we have to work with all. And what I am seeing is that we are putting our individual organization before the national interest. And if we all put our national interest before, for example, we send about 30 to 40,000 people to Singapore. If I want to book a hotel directly in Singapore, they know how big we are. They will say, no, you come through your recognized tour operator. Why can't Indian hotels do the same? Why can't Indian hotels do the same? I mean, no hotel. I can give you examples of all the chains, including Taj, including Oberoi, including ITC. Whenever an opportunity comes, they go directly to the customer. बल्कि वेडिंग में तो वो ये कहते हैं कि नहीं, ये कस्टमर है, आप पूरा ये होटल ले लो. Why can't the government, when they get so much facilities from the government in terms of land, they're talking about industrial rates, they're talking about concession on bar and other things, on import. Why can't we say that at least 10% or 15% of the inventory will be booked for the foreign tour operators? That is the national interest. ये नहीं कि एक शादी आ गई तो टूर ऑपरेटर का आपने ग्रुप ही बाउंस कर दिया. That is wrong. You see, this is the tragedy of this country that मैं कहता हूँ कि मुझे फ़ायदा हो जाए. और यही क्लीनलीनेस की जो बात हो रही थी, सॉरी आई टेक अनदर मिनट, कि मेरे घर में सफाई हो और बाहर गंदगी हो. And I have said this in my book on poverty eradication through tourism, that public health and hygiene has to be made compulsory subjects. No tour operator, no hotelier can educate the masses. We have to think of the next generation, and then only we will be
Arif
able
wants to give a reply.
So we had a meeting yesterday, Mr. Goel, with the owner who is building a big hotel. If you guys say, okay, we don't have problem, शादी भी लो, हमारे गेस्ट को भी रख लो, we don't have problem. The problem comes from the tour operator because see, the tourists who are coming to India, they want to sleep at 7. शादी वाले उठते 7 बजे. The point is that we, to safeguard India's reputation to your own reputation, we don't mix two segments. But if you say 10 रूम देने हैं, मैं सबसे अग्री करा देता हूँ पूरी इंडस्ट्री से. प्रॉब्लम हमारा होता है कि आप लोग कंप्लेन करते हो कि बाजा बज रहा है, तो शादी तो वही है इंडिया के अंदर. द पॉइंट इज वी टेक प्रिकॉशन नॉट टू मिक्स टू थिंग्स. समटाइम वी कीप रूम्स एम्प्टी सर. वी हैव होटल्स लेट्स से 200 रूम होटल, बट शादी के लिए 150 रूम लिए 170. वी forthcomingly do not offer that inventory to anybody because I said we build our brand on trust, right? It's rather lose some rupees rather than mixing two segments. But if you guys say, and we will tell the host family to invite these foreign tourists to come and enjoy the wedding free of cost. Let them enjoy the Indian fat wedding. But आप लोग बोलो complain नहीं करेंगे, फिर reimbursement नहीं मांगोगे. तैयार है सर पूरी इंडस्ट्री.
देखिए, I agree with you partly, but at the same time, during my time I signed a code of ethics with FHRI.
Correct.
It worked for 1 or 2 years, but then it was...
We can work on that again.
So I think let us evolve a code of business ethics through ITO. Let us come कि क्या आपके पेन पॉइंट्स हैं, क्या हमारे पेन पॉइंट्स हैं, and let's resolve them and iron them out.
टाइम बहुत कम रह गया, तो let me, Indigo is doing a lot for us. I need to come to him and give him his time. And so every journey starts with a step, we all know that. And we would want that everybody puts the first step in tour operators office only, फिर हम लोग करेंगे. But having said that, a lot of things are changing. And as Indigo, I will ask you a few questions and if you can answer, because sometimes what happens, we do not know what is available. So my first question is, how does code share help inbound tour operator? Because you all are saying you just did a code share with Japan. How does it help me?
So thank you, right, to talk about code shares, and this takes our conversation slightly away to a different kind of
Can you all hear clearly?
Can you guys hear me? Yeah. Lovely. See, we have code shares with 11 airlines. We are not a part of any Star Alliance or Global Alliance or anything, but we have independent code shares with 11 airlines. That means that outside of the 134 or 135 destinations that I service myself, I have another 70 odd destinations that bring passengers through checked-in all the way into India to the city, the tier 2, tier 3 city. Domestic, right? So a Virgin Atlantic, for that matter, can sell from London all the way to Trichy through checked-in, right? So we open up so many more ports. I loved your slide on choose your partners wisely, and see, this is long-term vision, right? Now with KLM, the recent one, you mentioned about Turkish, where we serve about 50 destinations, but KLM, the recent one, we are serving almost 20 destinations via Amsterdam in Europe, right? So a tour operator does not get fixated on the European airlines or the Middle Eastern airlines, but gets a one-stop, and that stop is in Bombay, a one-stop option into another 30 odd places.
So that's the advantage of code share, you're saying.
Exactly, and we are learning.
One more question. I do not know they are aware, there is this Indigo Blue Chip Ajkal hai, where you earn points. But
Yes.
do you know you can earn points without flying? For example, they have a tie-up with Swiggy, हर बार आप burger खाओ, so you can fly. How does that work? Because we want to know, हमें भी अपना खाना इसके ऊपर करना है. Because our kids are ordering and we don't get points. So what is this?
So this is new age marketing. I think Naveen was talking about it earlier, right? And this is a very cool one. We must engage our partners every day, maybe several times a day, right? In the old school airline programs, you would earn a mile once you would fly. But you would fly what? Every week at the max, right? Here people are ordering food 2, 3, 5 times a day. The minute you log on to Swiggy, if your blue chip number is fed in, you're earning miles while you order
And blue
food.
chip is free, anybody can have.
Anybody can take
You
it.
can have. So on points he also wants to give something to tour operators.
Yes, please.
Basically, it's partnership. The whole discussion. Two brands are leveraging database of each other on full trust. You're trading currency. Point is currency. Right? Now it could be you earning in dollar but spending in Zimbabwe dollar. Or you're earning in Zimbabwe dollar and spending in rupees. That you talk with your partner, but it's a power of two powerful people not competing with each other, not stepping on each other's toes, right? Recognizing, giving same respect to each other's member. That's a lot.
I understand you have a Green Points program which you are giving for MICE also. That is also in place. Very big, na? So they may not be aware, but every time, like in Marriott, you do a group, you get, they also.
Now, so just did that in Bombay. You earn 1 or 2% of total bill. This is only for group business or catering business. Unlimited point. And good thing with that is 1 point is 1 rupee, very transparent. Right? So let's say you do business of, if you're doing wedding or conference and 1 crore is the billing, you got your commission, that's not going away, right? And you're getting 2% on top of that. So we calculated on a wedding, total you make 9.5%, which even bank doesn't give you or stock market doesn't give you. We give you, as soon as you make the payment, 9.5% back.
Can you give a letter to IATO so that we all know about it and we can claim these kind of benefits?
Only for groups, but not leisure groups.
What groups? ये देखो जेब में छेदा मुंह में पानी.
आपने जेब में पहले ही छेद कर दिया था.
कोशिश करना हमारा काम है. So one round of applause to Indigo. They are the only ones who have given a letter to IATO for extra baggage. Whether it's 5 kgs, 8 kgs, 10 kgs, 15 kgs, you can pre-book it. All IATO agents, again I'm repeating, if you do not know, please use this code. It works very well and it's almost a discount of 70% on extra baggage.
70%
So
off.
thanks for that. Having said that, tell us about Super 6E. Why should inbound operator only use Super 6E? Booking.
Thank you so much. Another one of my favorite questions. I have so many travel agents here. We are all used to booking the lowest available fare, right? सबसे सस्ता कहाँ है? And सारी भेड़चाल उसी तरफ चल रही है. We have various branded fares. Something like a Super 6E. Okay, it's about 1300 rupees more expensive than your regular fare. I book it every time I travel, right? I get an emergency exit, extra legroom seat. I get a free meal, right? I get extra baggage.
20 kgs.
20 kgs of baggage. That means that every tour operator, if they choose the fare smartly, does not need to take favors from anybody. Does not need to call up 3 salespeople, get an additional 5 kgs off, put your reputation at stake. There's a product that exists. I feel that this country, the products are ripe for the taking. People just need to take it.
Okay. One last question to you.
Sir.
You all are not only helping us open new routes, but you're opening new international destinations for
That's
us.
correct.
I do know there are some examples of Baku and Tbilisi. Even though 80-90% of Indians are traveling, but very soon at least 20% inbound will start. And that roller effect is happening either in new destinations or where direct flights are being put by Indigo. So what is your plan just now? I understand you've reached out to 43 international destinations. Actually all new one, we are all at par and we can reach out. So how do we go forward on that, and what's happening on the international space?
So one, this 43 will only grow, right? One of the approaches that we have taken is that, for example, we have 29 GSAs worldwide, looking at 43 destinations. We bring our GSAs in here, get them to meet with our tour operators, teach our GSAs, cultivate inbound sale into India. Please understand, when we launched sales into the CIS countries, it was only outbound at one point in time. And suddenly, a year later, we are not at 3 or 4 flights a week, we are at 7 flights a week, every destination. And why is that? Because people are willing to come in. They are willing to come in to explore Kerala, Rishikesh, Agra, things like that, things they had no idea about. And they were so westernized that every time now Indigo opens a destination, it becomes my prerogative to inform them about the riches of India.
Thank you. So we're having a lot of growth. Bobby, you wanted to say something on this point.
We basically have two partnerships. The one partnership is among the directors of the company. That partnership says that we have to be honest to ourselves, we have to be trustworthy for our clients, for our corporates, for our tour operators, which will make us grow. The second partnership is the video which you showed, एक के गले में हाथ और दूसरा पीछे से. That is the one which we operate. How I say that? Two very famous tour operators, about 15-20 years back, they invented an itinerary which was almost the complete Gujarat and then to Rajasthan. Now they asked me that how will our driver cope up with this, because it was absolutely a new destination, Palitana and other places like that. I assured them in the very first meeting that it will be done. They were amazed, but again the trust factor they had on me, it was done. I asked them who is the guide. गाइड का और हमारे शॉफर का आपस में हमने कोलिजन कराया, बातचीत कराई. It's been over 18 years today and I am doing the same itinerary continuously. And what sort of that temporary partnership was that when the group was picked up from Bhavnagar and it was complete Rajasthan for 7 days and then to Rajasthan, how we managed, because the guide was absolutely new to those areas, our driver was absolutely new. So we hired an auto rickshaw. We told him कि ये जगह पे जाना है and if you are aware तो आप अपने दिन का किराया बताओ. Whatever he said, we paid him double.
Got the point, Bobby. Thank you.
Auto
Thank you
rickshaw
very much.
followed us. Auto rickshaw followed us and it was done. So that was the another partnership which we developed according to the need and requirement.
Great. So my time is already up. One. Okay. Because I have 2 more slides which are very important and we need to take some questions.
I think we are talking about the country, India. I'll give you an example of a next door neighbor, Sri Lanka. When there was a crisis there, tourism went down. They came with road shows where Sri Lankan airline, all the hotel chains, the tour operators, the transporters, they all came as one group. Their convention bureau, the tourism operator, and they did road shows not only in the metros, but small cities, secondary and third cities. They did together as one country, not as one,
Understood.
group. You see, so I think it is high time that we as Indians, and today I think let us resolve that let us work together as a country, as India, and let us, jointly with ITO, we get together and let us do road shows. Let the airline, whether it's Indigo or Air India, whether the Taj Group or Oberoi Group or ITC Group, let us all go, and if the tourism department comes with us, and also the state tourism, Let us go as one country.
So while we are discussing partnership, I've been asked to close, but this slide is very important. The amount of business which is coming in, HR is going to play a very important role. I do know that Indigo has their own training schools, ITC has their own, Taj has their own, and continuously there are many more. On this platform, I would like to request, because a client does not differentiate between an air hostess, a hotel concierge, a guide, a driver. So is it possible in the future, when you all are doing training programs, to have a 1 week training program for guides, for hospitality from your side, and also for inbound tour operators? Because many times we also should know what to order when somebody is asking. For example, one of our clients told our guy, why don't you join me for breakfast? He said, why not? वो बैठ गया उसके साथ. Client ने omelette मांगा, उसने pomfret मांग लिया. So this is very important to teach, because वो उसकी गाड़ी लेट हो रही थी, वो pomfret मंगा लिया. So we have to teach our people also. So if there is a way of creating a system, it will be very nice for all of us.
Done. You just let us know and we'll be happy. We do this for corporates. When they recruit new engineers and they have to travel abroad to meet customers, etiquette trainings. CII, we are partner, training 1,000 people a year. Yeah, please, most welcome. We have a HMI and we have teachers who will do this.
Friends, sustainability के बारे में हम लोग बहुत सुनते हैं, और फैक्ट है कि करते कुछ नहीं है. If Mauria Sheraton alone becomes zero net carbon free, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It is actually a full thing. It has to be zero carbon from the airline. You have to do your waste management, also have local produce. Similarly, you have to give us CNG buses, and the guide should not serve plastic bottles. This is a very big subject. It is completely commercial. There are some figures he has.
So, when he invited me for this, I said, what do we speak? So I did a little research. It's $3.1 trillion economy, sustainability, which is equal to India's GDP. All right, what is our share? It's hardly 280 million odd. And I think ITC's contribution in this 280 million would be 80%. Right? What we are missing out is the new trends of travel. Right? Today morning I was just telling him, I went to the AI aggregator tool and I was just prompting myself, right? And trust me, this is how people are prompting and doing their own research before even they come to anybody, right? And I asked some questions which normally हमारी एज वाला टूरिस्ट नहीं पूछेगा. So I was looking at my daughters and I prompt. What AI gives and what we know is totally different, right? And this is how people are deciding where they're going and whom they're going to work with, right? So my point is that if we do a carbon neutral itinerary, today we have all our ITC hotels which are LEED certified, right? 8 are LEED water positive. What this means, our water consumption is lesser than what we take it from natural resource, right? Hotels are carbon neutral. It means your stay is guilt free without compromising. We don't put tent car की towel मत धुलवाना या पानी कम करना. हम बोला आपको जितना indulge करना है करिए, but we are taking care of it scientifically and we are certified, right? But we've not thought about it. There are EV cars. Airlines are doing I'm saying, look at Google. It will tell you what is the carbon contribution of that itinerary which you're trying to book, right? The best part is we do conference and events and they ask for carbon certificate. And if you give them this is a carbon certificate, this we want to pay and buy this carbon and we want a certificate from you that this is a carbon neutral event, right? So airline cannot be carbon neutral. Let's be clear, right? Because you're flying and it's going to fuel. They're working on fuel, but it's not going to work. But there are people who are willing to pay. Pay how? It could be in cash and say plant kar do tree. There are government organizations. We can create a carbon neutral itinerary, right, for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days.
Thank you. There are panelists भी उत्सुक हो रहे हैं कि मुझे माइक दो, फिर से मांग रहे हैं. Questions allowed नहीं हैं. जिससे टाइम नहीं है. I would like to ask questions, but हमारे tour operators की तरफ से, this is the future. Partnership is the new currency, and हमारे president कहना चाहते हैं कि
थैंक यू सर. एक गाना आपको बहुत दबी आवाज में आएगा.
वॉल्यूम.
You are watching Travel World Online.